I, Professor R.S. Pagar, studying chemistry, JMD Arts, BW Commerce, and Science College, Chinnar. In TYBSc, there is third chapter in the industrial chemistry. It is a physico-chemical principle. With respect to the HNO3, manufacturing of the HNO3, I discussed in earlier lecture is there, how the HNO3 is to be manufactured by using the Ostwald process are there. But what are the important? There is a use for the physico-chemical principle. There are three steps are there. First step is the oxidation of the ammonia to the NO. Second is the oxidation of the NO to NO2, and absorption of the NO2 in the water to form as a HNO3. So this is the, you remember, by the three steps are there by using in the Ostwald process. Now generally in the Ostwald process, by the oxidation is to be there, formation of the NO. This reaction is also reversible. This is the forward reaction, exothermic reaction. 9 volume of the reactant is to be obtained to the 10 volume of the products that's supposed to be obtained. This reaction should be very small pressures. It has to be favored because of the volume of the product is to be more as compared to the reactant. Now, what about the effect can be there in this reaction? The reaction is exothermic. It is expected that low temperature will be favored. However, at low temperature, the rate of the reaction is slow. It has to be maintained about the 750 degrees Celsius and pressure is to be 6.8 atmosphere. At higher temperature, the ammonia get oxidized to N2 and there is a decomposition of the N2 takes place. So you remember this reaction should have to be maintained. Maximum 750 degrees is the temperature. More than of this temperature is there. So there is a decomposition takes place and ammonia is directly formation of the N2 is to be obtained. About the pressure is there. This reaction is to be formed by the lower temperature and this is also in the lower pressure is to be there. Because of this reactions having in the higher of the volume of the reactant, volume of the products as compared to the reactant is there, and hence this reaction it is not favored in the higher of the pressure, but in the lower pressure this reaction up to the 6.8 atmosphere, this is the pressure is to be required. Optimum pressure by this reaction is to be more favored by using suitable catalyst is to be there. About the catalyst, this is 10% of the rhodium and 90% of the platinum that have to be formed in the alloy of the wire gauge is to be there. And this wire gauge, it has to be more efficient, it is more active, and it has to be like the conversion of the ammonia in the form of the nitric acids or in the form of the nitrogen monoxide, dioxide. And this you remember about the 94 to 95%. There is a conversion takes place by using of this catalyst is to be used. What about the proportion is to be there in the ammonia and air is to be there? I already discussed. Generally, oxygen and ammonia is to be also important. 10% of the ammonia and 90% of the air is to be there. By formation of the proper proportion of the nitrogen monoxide is to be obtained. If nitrogen monoxide not properly obtained, you don't get the NO2 and this is the NO3. So this first step is very important. That has to be obtained in the conversion of the ammonia in the form of the NO is there. So 10% you consider in the formation of the ammonia and only that have to be 90% of the air or oxygen is to be there. Then you get the proper yield of the NO is to be formed. Now you remember this ammonia is again in the second step. It will be converted in the form of the is to be NO3 is to be there. But sometime you remember if the NO and ammonia that proportion is not have to be proper and in the high degree of the temperature, sometime that the ammonia is to be directly converted in the form of the N2. NO is also directly formation of the N2 is there. Hence remember that can be obtained the temperature is to be lower as well as the proportion of the ammonia and NO. The ammonia and O2 is to be there, that should have to be like to maintain. Otherwise that not get the that is a expected yield of the product is not obtained, but ammonia it will be converted in the form of the N2 is there. Now NO is converted in the formation of the N2. This is very important reaction according to the Le-Chatelier principle is there. This is the exothermic reaction, and that is 2 volume of the NO, 1 volume of the O2 that will be obtained. The 2 volume is there. Hence this reaction is more favored in the higher pressure is there. Because of, you remember, that is the mole of the reactant is more as compared to the mole of the product, and hence this reaction is more favored. And that also the this, you remember, the pressure is to be there, that have to be more than 6.8 atmosphere is to be formed by this chemical reaction. Now this reaction by the in presence of the temperature is also have to be there in the up to the lower temperature and higher pressure. This reaction is to be more favored, and this reaction is exothermic. This reaction, the rate of the reaction is to be increased and up to the 65% that in the formation of the HNO3 by this reaction. So NO2 and water is to be there, that have to be obtained the HNO3. This is also reversible reaction, but this reaction is to be also forwarded in the formation of the lower degree of the temperature is to be there. The expected product is to be formed. So you consider this reaction, the nitric acid is to be obtained by temperature is 750 degrees to be there, as well as for the ammonia to the NO, and 150 degrees Celsius for the conversion of the NO to NO2. Pressure is near about 6.8 atmosphere, and catalyst is the 10% of the rhodium, 90% of the platinum, that's supposed to be there, and that proportion of the ammonia and oxygen, that is nearly about 10s to 90%. This is the some of the conditions which is required in the formation of the nitric acid is there. What are the uses of the nitric acid? You know that nitric acid is very important chemical is there. That is used in the explosive. Trinitrotoluene is to be obtained, nitroglycerin is obtained, 1 cotton is to be obtained, fertilizer, calcium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, as well as some salt, silver nitrate, ammonium nitrate, some dyes, perfumes, drugs, coal tar products, sulfuric acid by lead chamber process. It is also silver, gold, platinum, this metal in metallurgical operation that's supposed to be used. Nitric acid is using process designing copper, brass, bronze. That is the number of types of the metals you have to design with the help of the nitric acid is there. It is also prepared to use up the aqua regia is to be there. Aqua regia means the mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid that's supposed to be there. In the 1:3 is the proportion. So you have to obtain in the aqua regia. It is very strong reagents is supposed to be prepared. It is also used in laboratory reagents also. Different process without of the nitric acid, it don't have to be completed. So this way, this is the number of the uses are there. You're supposed to ask in examination. What are the manufacturing process? What are the physicochemical principle of the nitric acid? As well as what are the uses of the nitric acid? That's supposed to be explained with help of the different types of the steps are there. As well as flow sheet diagram is also there. That will be asked in the examination with help of this nitric acid by different types of the chemical reaction. You're supposed to write the chemical reaction, then you have to be explained what about the manufacturing, what about the flow sheet diagram, what about the different step in physicochemical principle, and what are the uses of the nitric acid. That long question is supposed to be explained by this manufacturing process is to be there.